It takes two crucial components to start an online Amazon business. Number one, it takes the mindset and mentality. So many people get into Amazon FBA and they think that it's their golden ticket to success or golden ticket to sitting on the beaches in Bali doing nothing, right? You have to understand that this is a real business and it requires real effort, real time, real energy, and a real investment. Leading into number two, this does take resources to get started. This isn't one of those business models that you can get started with no money and get rich overnight. It does require money or access to credit or a partnership or a partner or some type of investor or some type of resources. Now, in my personal opinion, I feel that starting an online Amazon business has the best return for the amount of money required for you to start the actual business, but you do need some revenue. You do need access to a credit card or some revenue to get started. If you want to learn more about how much money you need to get started and ways to get started with little to no money, check around somewhere on the channel or on this page because I've done that video before. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.